Hello guys, this is Shivarmadi. Welcome back to my channel Local English. So guys, today as you can see, I got ready and going to shooting place. So stay connected with my channel. You can enjoy. So guys, let's go to the shooting place. Friends, now we are on the way to the shooting place. So guys, today is my first time to make vlog video. Would you like this vlog video or not? I don't know. Still I am trying to make mini vlog video for all of you to learn this language. It means English language. So let's enjoy the nature. Guys, see guys, actually now I am driving. I'm going to shooting place. And over there you can get to see the different kind of interesting thing. So let's go to the shooting place. And here the dancer also sitting. Hi. So friends, you might be shocking after watching this video. Yes, definitely anybody will be shocked after watching this video. If you don't know properly about me, that's the reason to shock. So let me share about me. Except story, I do choreography as well as I give direction in the music video line. So that's all about me. So guys, as you can see, everywhere greeny. It means everywhere is crops. So let's enjoy with this green scenery. Friends, previously I was so weak in dance as well as in English, but gradually it became little bit perfect, but not much perfect. So guys, finally we reached the shooting place where the location is. See guys, this is our shooting location. Over here we are going to shoot, and in this shooting today actually my role is to act as well as I do choreography in this music video. So when the shooting is about to start, at that time I will show you how the shooting happens, and definitely guys you will enjoy this vlog. So guys, stay connected with my channel. So see you. Now guys, you can see here the practice is going on. The all boys are practicing. After the some dance will be started, it means the shooting will be started. So you can see how the boys are dancing. You are getting to see how the boys are dancing, and we do sport choreography guys. We didn't choreography earlier. In the sport we do choreography because we believe in ourselves. Anyway we can do perfectly. That's why boys are practicing, and after finishing the practice we will go to the shoot guys. So guys, this time is about to start the shooting. So guys, here is the cameraman Mr. Sanjay and
Yeah.
yes, and over here the heroine,
Hello, good morning.
and they are the all my dancers. So guys, let's start the shooting. This song it belong to Santal community. It means Adivasi song. Friends, you will be thinking why we are holding the beer bottle. Actually, in the song, the lyrics is dedicated to drunkard people. That's why we are holding the bottle. It means we have to do whatever in the lyrics. According to the lyrics, we have to do. That's why we are doing. So friend, as you can see how the location is, it is really so interesting location, and definitely guys it is quite well location. So guys, if you want to enjoy this location, so you just come here and you can enjoy. And this is the last shot guys. After completing this shot we will back to the home. So hi guys.
Hello. Hi.
Already shooting was completed, and as you can see it is going to dark. So how was the shooting? Let me know in the comment box. And I think the shooting was quite well, and you all enjoyed a lot I think. So let me in the comment box how was the shooting. So today for this much, and now here is Miss Rangila Saran, today's heroine. So guys, today for this much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next time I will bring very different kind of video guys. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.